Are you looking for the best electric jackhammer? In this video, we will break down the top 4 electric jackhammers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, BOSCH 11335K Hammer Kit. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable jackhammer and you don't mind the high price tag, then you might want to check out the Jackhammer Kit. This Bosch demolition jackhammer is equipped with an impressively heavy-duty 15-amp motor that delivers up to 1300 BPM. It comes with a vibration control system that reduces the risk of hand-arm vibration syndrome. Also, it can take on the thickest concrete slabs with its 22 feet (lbs) of impact force. Every inch of this tool's exterior is made of heavy-duty metal that can withstand the rigors of the toughest job site. It's large and ergonomic handles. It has an inline design, as well as a rotating auxiliary handle. These features allow you to use it in vertical, horizontal, and angled operations with ease. Moreover, this tool is equipped with a service minder brush system that automatically shuts the system down whenever it is needed to be maintained. At number 2, XTREMEPOWERUS 2200 watt. The XTREMEPOWERUS 2200 watt heavy-duty electric demolition jackhammer secures the best pick, and it's no surprise why. This product boasts a multitude of user-friendly features. Anti-vibration system that reduces hammer and handles vibration. Lock rotating chisel which allows you to work from a variety of angles, adjustable 360-degree foregrip for extra control while hammering. It also comes with 2 into 16 inches chisels, protective gloves, goggles, and hex wrenches. This product suits people looking for a well-balanced, easy-to-use electric jackhammer for a brilliant price. At number 3, MAKITA HM1307CB35. The MAKITA jackhammer is designed for heavy-duty demolition projects that require a high-performance tool. Moreover, this jackhammer comes stocked with electronic speed control that adjusts to power needs in real time to prevent burnout. Additionally, the product is designed for comfort and has an ergonomic handle and soft start function that minimizes shock impact by easing the user up to full power. What's more, the LED service power indicator indicates switch failure or cord damage, and also notifies the user approximately 8 hours before the brushes need to be replaced. At the same time, the HM1307CB is engineered with extended life brushes. At number 4, NEIKO 02845A. This NEIKO hammer measures 6.5 inches into 27.9 inches into 11.8 inches. It comes with an 11.3 amp high-performance motor, a BPM of 1800, heavy-duty construction, a corrosion-resistant coating, a helical gear system, a 360 swivel auxiliary non-slip handle and a weight of 48.5 pounds. This jackhammer comes with a powerful 11.3 amp high-performance motor that delivers 1800 impact beats per minute with 45 joules force to easily break through concrete, brick, ground and earth. In addition, its features include heavy-duty all-metal construction with industrial sandblasted powder coating finish for corrosion resistance and durability. Specially engineered helical gear system operates more smoothly and quietly than traditional spur gear, and more importantly, lasts longer and reduces premature wear out.